If you're looking to add a reminders widget to your iPhone's lock screen, you're in for a treat. It's a fantastic way to keep everything organized and easily track your tasks without having to dig through your apps. Widgets make it super convenient to glance at imported info without fully unlocking your device. Let's dive into how you can set up that reminders widget on your lock screen. First, open the Settings app. After that, scroll down a bit. Now tap on Wallpaper. Next, select your lock screen wallpaper from the middle left section. Then tap on Add Widgets. Try to look for the apps you want to include. If you can't find it here, don't worry. Just scroll down a little more. Select your Reminders app from the list. Now tap and hold the icon, then drag it to the space where you want to add the widget. If it says no reminders, that just means you don't have any active reminders set up. To get started, you'll need to add something to your Reminders app first. By following these simple steps, you can easily add a Reminders widget to your iPhone lock screen. This way, you can quickly check and manage your tasks directly from your home screen without having to unlock your device. It's a great feature to help you stay organized and keep on top of your responsibilities all day.